Yes, I am up bright and early, ready for my class. I got my first exam today, so I am actually about to head out to go write my exam. Only 2 hours, so I can't wait. Then I can come home, well, maybe sleep. You don't want any.
Yeah.
Go out the middle. Yes, guys, so I am ready to go. You don't want to go to school? Listen here. I went to bed at 2 o'clock this morning. You living life. You living life. Yes, yep. Yeah, you have a test today. Good luck on your test. I got one too. Yeah, guys, so I am up. I am ready for the day. But I'm about to crash and burn after this exam. I'll tell you this. And it is Vlogmas Day 7. Oh, gosh. So, yeah, guys, I'm just getting ready to head out. My poor husband, I had to wake him up to drive me today because he's like, see me crawling out of bed at like 6 o'clock to go get ready and everything. So he's like, go sleep for another hour. I was like, oh, thank God. I need that other hour's sleep. Trust me. I'm feeling a little bit more refreshed. And thank God it's Friday. TGIF. The weekend is here. Oh, gosh. I need it. At least I'll get some time to sleep. I could get up and study for my other classes for next week. One more week to go, guys. One more week. Oh, gosh. I'll be like a kid in the candy store counting down. So I'll get back with you guys when I reach my destination. Bye. So I'm home. My exam is done. Oh, I am so happy. One down. 20 more to go. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So I am home now. Oh, the kids, 1 and 2 of them are.
On my test.
You got an A plus, so that is good. Give mommy 5. Yes, that is good. That is good. So yeah, the kids are just home for lunch, and I am finished, and it is the weekend. Unfortunately, I don't know what I'm doing as yet. My husband's sleeping. You see, I even wore my headscarf to school. I was just up early.
And also, I'm gonna come home.
Oh heck! So you're just excited about Friday to go play video game like early? Oh God! So yeah, guys. So I am so relieved, but I still have one more assignment to hand in. I handed one last night. I have my last one to hand in tonight at midnight. It's due, and then I have one on Sunday. That's due on Sunday. So, but that one is not that hard. That one's pretty much done. So, and that is it. So happy. Oh my gosh. You don't know what a relief I feel. And I only have one more assignment, like big assignment to do. It's pretty much finished. I just gotta do the good copy of what I need, and I am finished, guys. Oh, home sweet home. I love Fridays. Who loves the weekend? Oh, who loves the weekend?
You want lunch?
Oh, you're gonna make me lunch?
Mommy, I'm not going to XOXO the homework things, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you doing that now? What are you making? Yeah, I'll take some of that. I will take some. I will take some. But I think my exam went well. Yeah, it wasn't too difficult. Christmas movies out that I want to go see. So maybe we'll end up doing something this weekend. Yeah, so I'm not sure what we have planned. It's Friday. I'm just gonna sit here. It's now what 11:23. So I'm just gonna sit, relax. Yes, I'm definitely need to take a nap because under these eyes, girl, man, going on what 10 hours of sleep within 4 days from Monday. Well, it's Friday now. That is not good at all. Not good at all. So, yeah, I'm gonna end up doing what I need to do, finish it, send it off, and go take a nap. Maybe I'll even take a nap and do it later because I have until 11:59 to hand in my assignment today. So maybe I'll just do that. But for now, guys, I'm just gonna sit, relax. If we're doing anything exciting, I will get back to you guys later. Chef in the kitchen, he's making lunch. What is that you're making, Mr. Chef Boyardee Memphis? You playing shy? So he's making me and him some grilled cheese and hot dogs. Why you have to give me that the dog there for? Eh? Yeah.
Mama, mind that.
Hello, I fight you gonna fight me for food. It's so hungry, guys. Watching funny video. Look how ready for beat me up for a piece of hot dog. I didn't ever come into my place and take my food. Ever. Memphis, you need to turn up the thing on it somewhere. And Miss Arissa had some mac and cheese. She made her own mac and cheese. Yep. So that's why I said it's good to teach a kid how to cook. 8-year-old know how to make mac and cheese. That is very good. Cause some of them 20-year-old adults here can't make it. Oh, where you put the other thing? So how you manage to put this the payment? I'm not about that. So hello, why you eating on my hot dog for?
No. I want me gonna take the
Memphis, you just ate up my hot dog. Look what and give me all the little beanie one, them and then take the big one. Kids, I tell you.
take it.
What is it?
Yeah, it's good. Huh?
What is it?
What is what? Grilled cheese. I'm gonna turn up the stove a little bit. So, guys, this is my food that my sons made me. I'm going to go have my lunch, have some juice, maybe watch a Christmas movie. Then I'll do my assignment. If I don't fall asleep.
Please,
If I don't fall asleep right away. Guys, I am back. So, it's later. So, it's, Friday night. And I have finished both my assignments. So, I am free as a bird. I just got to study for. I have an exam on Monday that I got to study for. So, just got to do that. And then I have one on Wednesday. And, Wednesday and Thursday I have exam. So Thursday next week will be my official last day. Oh, I can't wait till Christmas break. Oh, boy, it's hectic. It's hectic. It's hectic. So guys, I'm just getting dinner started. I'm just about to go make some chicken, and cook Friday dinner. And I don't think we're doing much today because everybody's exhausted. I still have not gone to sleep. So I still have not gone to sleep, and now I got house chores to do because I gotta get laundry done. I got the kids' laundry to do. I've been cleaning the house since I finished my assignments. So I came home, finished my assignments, been cleaning the house. Now I'm about to cook dinner, and so I just been busy. Lab that's due on Sunday, so I still got a couple of school stuff to do, but those two major assignments that I had, they are off my head because they were due tonight at midnight. So when I came home and I just buckled down and just got it done, I'm like, you know what, instead of going to go take a nap, just do it, get it done and out of the way. So I just got my husband, he only eats breasts. So I am making him breasts, and for me and the kids I'm gonna make some wings. So I'm just gonna season them. I'm probably just gonna make some nice semi jerk wings and stuff like that, and then I'm just seasoning both the meat now. I'm not gonna do jerk for my husband. He doesn't want no jerk chicken, so for his I'm just gonna do it a little bit different. But the kids wanted these type of wings. They said they haven't had them in a bit, so I'm gonna do them. So I don't know if you can see, so this is what my meat looks like. My husband's one, and I just gotta season it. And that's the sneezing on the wings. Yeah, the kids haven't been asking for wings because I haven't made wings in a while. So I was like, you know what, let me buy some wings and do up some wings for them. Yeah. So Friday night is usually like we might do takeout, or order in or go for dinner, but Yeah, right now we just are like, when I do cook, I kind of cook something light. So like wings, something like that, or I'd make pasta, some tacos, something quick and fun. The kids they want to make cookies later, so they have this box of cookies that they're going to make. So they're gonna put that on because the girls don't like baking. So I told them they could use that and they put their baking. So my meat.
You're making pasta?
No, I'm not making pasta. I had pasta already this week. I'm making wings. I'm making the jerk wings. I'm making jerk wings. You have on no bottom?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. It's a good thing I'm not putting the whole video.
Because I'm doing my laundry. And my bottom was black. That's why I have to wash it. Because we're doing darks.
So. Yeah, so there's my wings all seasoned up. Yeah, guys, so just got my vegetables here. As you can see, I have my wings and my chicken there. So I'm just cutting up some potato to add. I'm not gonna add. I'm gonna add the potatoes, all the potatoes, to my husband's meat, like to the. I'm gonna add the potatoes to the breast, the chicken breast. So I'm gonna add the potatoes there. Everything I'm going to add to that one. And then I am just like to the wings. I don't add much. I just go add like a scallion, put like a thyme. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit of scallion and onion to it and stuff like that. I'm not gonna really put much on it. Yeah, so as you can see, my meat is well seasoned, guys. So I'm just gonna put it in the oven. Things hot, and then for that one, I'm just gonna put it in the oven. Oh, I got my rice. I'm gonna cut up some peppers. I'm just gonna make a salad because the girls are asked if they can have. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut up the lettuce, and yeah, that's about it. So I got a whole boot. Let me get some carrot and cut up in here. Maybe I'll cut up some apples. Yeah, I can put apples in my lettuce, in my salad sometimes. My salad is all done. So I'm just gonna close up the container, and that's gonna end up going in the fridge. And I got my rice over there cooking. I'm not gonna put on my corn yet. Laundry and everything. We always try to make sure that laundry is done by Friday. Try to get most of the stuff done, so then that's less things to do. Faith, did you stop the machine? Then we'll start washing, right? It's washing. Yeah, if you don't stop the machine, it starts washing the washing water. See? Okay, I just gotta get the clothes in. Yeah, so my daughter, my bigness is doing laundry.
Yeah, there's soap on the wall.
Yeah, there's soap on it, so
Well, because we have
just
to
sort the
laundry.
clothes. Everybody gotta wash the clothes. So you finished? That is white. So put that. Where are you putting that one? Where's all the color? That is white. So is that any more white, or is that all colored? Yeah? Okay. Put them in this basket. So put them in the basket, feet. Yeah. So, oh.
Oh, mommy.
I know, that's a huge apple. Yeah, so he's doing laundry. You could see the other two. Mr. Memphis is, of course, on Xbox. He can't wait till Friday.
Yeah, I'm on his laptop.
That's the only time we get. Yeah, I don't let him play Xbox through the week, only on weekends. My corn there, and my rice is done. And it's time to take out the chicken. Dish in there. I got my chicken, my with chicken wings here, and I got my chicken breast here, and I got me some corn. Well, so here this is my husband's dinner. He just had some corn, rice, and chicken breast with potato here. Bring this tomorrow. See if he wants. Ask him if he wants salad. Yeah.
This is my strict orders.
You did you want some salad?
You only want lettuce and cheese.
I'm all finished. Everybody's all finished thing. So we're about to eat. And yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here, guys. Thanks for watching. And hey, happy weekend. I hope you guys have a good weekend. It is Friday. What are you guys doing tonight? For us, we're just relaxing, watching Christmas movie. We got Home Alone playing, so we're going to go watch Home Alone right now and eat some food and just hang out as a family and call it a night. So I will talk to you guys. See you in tomorrow's vlog, which will be Vlogmas Day 8. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, guys. Good morning. It is day 6 of Vlogmas. I am super tired. I had 2 hours of sleep. I've been up from till what, 4? So I've been up since 3 of yesterday till 4 doing assignments. So I am about to crash when this weekend comes. I've only have 2 hours of sleep, so it's now 6 o'clock.